Welcome to an exciting series of articles where we dive deep into the indispensable role of mathematics in biology, computational biology, and bioinformatics. These fascinating articles reveal how mathematical functions are the backbone of the methods and algorithms that bioinformaticians rely on every day. Today, we are thrilled to bring you edition number 5. We hope you've missed us as much as we've missed you.
That's right, Jazz. Today's edition is all about the golden ratio, a concept that's not only fundamental to mathematics, but also deeply intertwined with nature, art, and even the human body. It's fascinating to think that this simple ratio might not just be a human invention, but a reflection of patterns embedded in the very fabric of life itself.
Absolutely, Alex. The golden ratio, approximately 1.618, is a number that has intrigued mathematicians, artists, and scientists for centuries. It shows up everywhere, from the spirals of seashells and the branching of trees to the formation of galaxies. But did you know it's also present in some of the world's most iconic structures, like the Great Pyramid of Giza?
Exact, Jazz. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a perfect example. Its face slope, which is about 51.83 degrees, aligns with the golden ratio. Imagine this. If you draw a line from the center of the pyramid's base to the center of the leftmost baseline, that length equals 1. Then, if you draw another line from that same point to the apex of the pyramid, that line equals 1.618. This proportion is what we call phi, represented by the symbol phi.
And it doesn't stop there. During the Renaissance, the study of the golden ratio saw a major revival. Luca Pacioli, a renowned mathematician, was fascinated by its connection to beauty and harmony. He wrote about it in his book De Divina Proportione, and this work had a significant influence on none other than Leonardo da Vinci.
Exactly. Leonardo da Vinci, deeply inspired by Pacioli's work, used the golden ratio in his art. The Mona Lisa, for example, is famous not just for her enigmatic smile, but also for the perfect balance and harmony in her composition, all thanks to the golden ratio. This ratio, also known as the sectio aurea, was considered an ideal of aesthetic perfection.
But here's what's really mind-blowing. The golden ratio isn't just an artistic concept. It's also deeply rooted in biology. Take our DNA, for instance. The structure of the DNA double helix actually reflects the golden ratio. The ratio of the length of a full turn of the helix to its width is exactly 1.618. And that's just one example.
The golden ratio also appears throughout the human body. For instance, the ratio between the length of your forearm and your hand, or even certain facial features, often approximates the golden ratio, contributing to what we traditionally consider aesthetically pleasing. And it gets even more interesting when we look at the human heart. The dimensions and angles of a healthy heart conform to the golden ratio, ensuring it pumps blood efficiently. When these proportions are off, it can be an indicator of heart diseases like dilated cardiomyopathy. And it's not just limited to biology. We can see the golden ratio in the spiral patterns of seashells, the arrangement of leaves around a stem known as phyllotaxis, and even in the structure of galaxies. The arms of spiral galaxies follow logarithmic spirals based on this ratio.
These examples show us that the golden ratio isn't just a mathematical curiosity, it's a fundamental principle that underlies much of the natural world, providing both structural efficiency and visual appeal. But did you know it even extends to the quantum world?
That's right. Under certain conditions, researchers have found that the masses of two quasi-particles in cobalt niobate approach the golden ratio. It's amazing to think that this ratio, which we often associate with beauty and harmony, also plays a role in the quantum world, revealing an unexpected order in what is usually considered a domain of uncertainty.
It really makes you appreciate the deep connection between mathematics and life itself. The golden ratio isn't just a number, it's a bridge between nature, art, and science, showing us the harmony that exists in the universe.
If you're as fascinated by the golden ratio as we are, there's so much more to learn. To dive deeper, check out the detailed article that Leandro de Matos Pereira prepared. It's packed with insights and examples that really bring the golden ratio to life. I look forward to seeing you in the next article of the newsletter, Mathematical Functions Describe the Biological World. Thank you and have an excellent new week. A big thank you to all our subscribers. If you would like to contribute an article on the theme Mathematical Functions Describe the World, please get in touch via LinkedIn and send your article proposal.
This video was created with Synthesia. The views expressed in this article are solely those of the author and do not reflect the official stance of their affiliated institution.